Ever wondered what it takes to crack the code of wealth in 2024? The world of side hustles is buzzing with opportunities that promise to turn your spare time into a gold mine. But which path holds the key to unlocking riches beyond your wildest dreams? Join us on a journey through 5 tantalizing side hustles that just might hold the secret to your financial freedom. In today's dynamic world, the realm of side hustles has become a beacon of opportunity for those seeking to augment their income and pursue financial freedom. As we venture into 2024, the landscape is ripe with potential, offering a plethora of avenues to explore. Join us as we delve into the 5 captivating side hustles, each promising to tantalize your entrepreneurial spirit and pave the way to prosperity. Get ready to uncover the secrets that could transform your side hustle into a pathway to riches. E-commerce reselling. E-commerce reselling involves buying products at a lower price and selling them at a profit online. This side hustle has immense potential for riches due to the exponential growth of online shopping platforms. Here's a step-by-step guide how to start e-commerce selling. Market research. Identify trending or niche products with high demand and low competition. Use tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, or eBay Pulse to analyze market trends and consumer preferences. Supplier research. Find reliable suppliers or wholesalers offering competitive prices for your chosen products. Consider factors like product quality, shipping times, and return policies when selecting suppliers. Platform setup. Choose an e-commerce platform to sell your products. Popular options include Amazon, eBay, Shopify, or Etsy. Create a seller account and set up your storefront with compelling product listings, including high-quality images and detailed subscriptions. Pricing strategy. Determine your pricing strategy to ensure profitability while remaining competitive. Factor in product costs, shipping fees, platform fees, and desired profit margins when setting prices. Marketing and promotion. Utilize digital marketing tactics such as social media advertising, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and search engine optimization to drive traffic to your listings and increase sales. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and encourage repeat business. Respond promptly to inquiries, address customer concerns or issues, and maintain transparency throughout the buying process. Optimization and scaling. Continuously monitor your sales performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. Experiment with different products, pricing strategies, and marketing techniques to optimize your sales. As your business grows, consider scaling up your expanding or product offerings or exploring new sales channels. Digital product creation. Creating and selling digital products is another lucrative side hustle that offers the potential for substantial profits. Identify your expertise. Determine your areas of expertise, skills, or passions that you can leverage to create valuable digital products. This could include writing, graphic designing, programming, photography, or knowledge in a specific niche. Market research. Research market demand and competition for digital products in your chosen niche. Identify gaps or opportunities where your expertise can offer unique value to potential customers. Product development. Create high-quality digital products such as ebooks, online courses, software applications, digital artwork, or templates. Focus on delivering valuable content or solutions that address the needs or interests of your target audience. Platform selection. Choose the right platform to sell your digital products. Options include self-publishing platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad for ebooks, online course platforms like Udemy or Teachable, or digital marketplaces like Creative Market or Envato Market for digital assets. Marketing strategies. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to promote your digital products and reach your target audience. Utilize content marketing, social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, and paid advertising to increase visibility and drive sales. Provide excellent customer support to enhance the buying experience and foster customer satisfaction. Address customer inquiries promptly. Offer technical support if needed, and listen to feedback to improve your products and services. Freelance services. Offering freelancing services allows you to monetize your skills and expertise on a flexible schedule. Identify your skills, strengths, and areas of expertise that are in demand in the freelance market. This could include graphic design, writing, programming, digital marketing, consulting, or any specialized knowledge you possess. Build a portfolio showcasing your previous work, projects, or achievements to demonstrate your capabilities to potential clients. Include case studies, testimonials, or client feedbacks to validate your expertise and credibility. Research freelance marketplaces, job boards, and industry-specific platforms to identify opportunities and understand client needs and preferences. Determine your target market and niche to focus your efforts effectively. Create professional profiles on freelance platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or specialized industry platforms. Optimize your profile with a compelling headline, detailed description of services offered, relevant skills, and portfolio samples. Craft customized proposals for each job opportunity, highlighting your relevant skills, experience, and how you can add value to the client's projects. Personalize your proposals and address the client's specific requirements to stand out from the competition. Maintain clear and timely communication with clients throughout the project lifecycle. Clarify project expectations, deliverables, timelines, and pricing terms upfront to avoid misunderstandings and ensure client satisfaction. Consistently deliver high-quality work that meets or exceeds clients' expectations. Pay attention to detail, adhere to deadlines, and be receptive to feedback to maintain a positive reputation and secure a repeat business for referrals. Stock trading. Stock trading involves buying and selling stocks or cryptocurrencies with the aim of profiting from price fluctuations. While it offers the potential for significant returns, it also carries inherent risks. Invest time in learning the fundamentals of stock trading, including market mechanics, technical analysis, and fundamental analysis. Utilize reputable resources such as books, online courses, financial news websites, and investment forums to expand your knowledge. Develop a risk management strategy to protect your capital and minimize potential losses. Set strict risk limits, diversify your investment portfolio, and use stop-loss orders to manage downside risks. Choose a reliable and reputable brokerage platform to execute your trades. Consider factors such as trading fees, commission structure, user interface, research tools, and customer support when selecting a brokerage. Develop a trading plan outlining your investment objectives, risk tolerance, trading strategies, and criteria for selecting stocks or cryptocurrencies. Stick to your plan and avoid impulsive decisions based on emotions or short-term market fluctuations. Use technical analysis techniques to identify potential entry and exit points for your trades. Analyze price charts, indicators, and patterns to make informed trading decisions and capitalize on market trends. Conduct fundamental analysis to evaluate the underlying value and financial health of companies or cryptocurrencies. Consider factors such as earning growth, revenue trends, competitive positioning, and industry outlook when assessing investment opportunities. Continuous learning and adaptation. Stay informed about market developments, economic indicators, and geopolitical events that may impact stock prices. Continuously refine your trading strategy based on market condition and feedback from your trades. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties can provide a steady stream of rental income and long-term appreciation potential. However, it requires a careful planning, financial management, and property maintenance. Research local real estate markets to identify areas with strong rental demand, favorable economic conditions, and potential for property appreciation. Analyze factors such as population growth, job opportunities, rental vacancy rates, and rental yields. Evaluate your financial situation and determine your budget for purchasing a rental property. Consider factors such as down payment, financing options, closing costs, ongoing expenses, and expected rental income. Choose suitable rental properties based on your investment goals, budget, and risk tolerance. Consider factors such as location, property type, property condition, rental potential, and future growth prospects. Explore financing options such as conventional mortgages, FHA loans, or financing through private lenders or real estate crowdfunding platforms. Compare interest rates, terms, and eligibility requirements to find the most suitable financing option for your investments. Decide whether to manage the rental property yourself or hire a professional property management company. Property management responsibilities include tenant screening, rent collection, property maintenance, lease enforcement, and handling tenant inquiries or issues. Implement a thorough tenant screening process to select reliable and financially stable tenants. Verify a prospective tenant's income, employment history, rental history, credit worthiness, and reference to minimize the risks of rental defaults or property damage. As we wrap up our exploration of these tantalizing side hustles, one question lingers. Which path will you choose to pave your way to riches in 2024? With each avenue offering its own unique blend of challenge and opportunity, the decision is yours to make. So seize the moment, embrace the unknown, and let your side hustle journey begin. Who knows, the next chapter of your life could be written in gold. Stay happy and stay hustling. Thanks.